enter a trade. Just wait, dollar, wait. Okay, I just place a trade based on the signal I received now. It's just half tick. I'm trading here early this morning with my daughter. Let me show you the signal. Yeah, Maybe you saw it when it came in. Okay, this is the signal. You can see the time 7:52. That's the signal, and I just traded with it. Now, my signal is available for my students only for now. We're working on how to make it a public thing, but for now, it's majorly available for my student. I'll try and wait a bit and pause if I get another signal so that I can show you when the signal pop up and place a trade. Okay, that's a signal there on top there. So I just make an entry based on that signal. You saw it. The signal showed up briefly, and my trade should have pulled through by now. Oh, okay, it's almost there. All right, I'm waiting for this. I'll have to pause. I'll wait for this when. Okay, trade one. So I'm done for the day. God bless you. See you in another video.